Yes, very good morning, students. So let us continue the same kind of example problems. In the previous video, what we have calculated is directly the probability distribution table is provided. Provided by the table, we calculated expectation of x, variance of x, and some general corollaries like expectation of 3x, expectation of 3x plus b, such kind of problems. Now, this is little different kind of problem. Here, one value is missing, guys. Clearly, if you observe, 2k is given for the real value 1, right? Have you all observed? Here it is given 2k, and remaining all the decimal values are given. As you all know that total probability will always be equals to 1. There is no doubt about it. Now, we need to observe this k value and then proving that it is equals to 1. That is what we need to do the step. Look at here. As we know that the probability of x is always equals to 1, the total probability. Now, according to that, look at this 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.3 plus 0.1 equals to 1. That is 0.1 plus 0.1, 0.2, 0.2 plus 0.2, 0.4, 0.4 plus 0.3, 0.7, 0.7 plus 0.1, 0.8 plus 2k equals to 1. Therefore, 2k equals to 1 minus 0.8, nothing but 0.2. That is, k equals to 0.2 by 2. Right? K equals to 0.2 by 2 is 0.1. Therefore, what is k value? 0.1. Substitute that k here. 2 into 0.1 is nothing but 0.2. Now check the total, guys. 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.4 plus 0.2, 0.6, 0.6 plus 3, 0.9, 0.9 plus 0.1, 1. So now the total is 1. Is it clear? K value we have calculated. Then mean and variance we need to find out. Mean and variance means you know that. Expression of x equals to summation x into p of x. That is, multiply each other. Minus 2 into 0.1 plus minus 1 into 0.1 plus 0 into 0.2 plus 1 into 0.2 plus 2 into 0.3 plus 3 into 0.1, that equals to minus 0.2 minus 0.1 plus 0 plus 0.2 plus 0.6 plus 0.3. So minus 0.2 plus 0.2 cancel. So 0.6 plus 0.3 is 0.9. 0.9 minus 0.1 is 0.8. Therefore, what is expression of x? 0.8. Similarly, expectation of x square. Why we are calculating expectation of x square? Because we need variance. What is the formula of variance? Expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. You know the formula. For that, expression of x square is needed, obviously. Find out that square of x into probability of x. Minus 2 square, 4. 4 into 0.1 is plus 1 square, 1. 1 into 0.1 plus 0 square, anything is 0. 1 square into 0.2. 1 square is 1. 1 into 0.2 plus 2 square, 4 into 0.3 plus 3 square, 9 into 0.1, that equals to 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0 plus 0.2 plus 4 into 0.3 is 1.2, because 4 3s are 12, 1.2 plus 0.9, that equals to 0.4 plus 0.1, 0.5, 0.2 means 0.7, 0.7 into 1.2, 1.9, 1.9 into 9 is 2.8. Therefore, variance of x equals to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. That is, expression of x square is 2.8 minus expectation of x is 0.8 whole square. Now what is the answer? 2.8 minus 0.8 whole square, that is 2.16. This is the answer. Go through it once again. First, find out the k value. By using the condition, we know that total probability is always equals to 1. After calculating the k, substitute that k value here and prove that it is equals to 1. And then find the expectation of x. Mean is nothing but x into p of x. Multiply these two and the total 0.8. Variance of x, we need the formula expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Already this value we have proved. We have calculated. Only we need expectation of x square. That means x square into p of x. Minus 2 square into 0.1 and so on, 3 square into 0.1. You got the value 2.8. And then substitute in the formula of variance. 2.8 minus 0.8 whole square. 0.8 whole square is nothing but 0.64. Therefore, 2.8 minus 0.64 is 2.16. Are you clear, guys? Right. So let us see the next problem now. Very, very important, guys. Many times this question is asked. Even in your mathematics, second PUC, this question will come. Remember. Okay. So in the first PUC, in statistics concept, this problem is very, very important. And in second PUC, you have this chapter, random variable. Remember, probability with random variables, you have second year's mathematics chapter. Last chapter it is. Okay, definitely this question will be asked for 6 marks, guys. Very, very important question, remember. So let us continue few more examples now. I hope you understand this. Look at this question now. Same kind of problem, finding the k value and mean and variance. -3, -2, 0, 2, 3. The real values are assigned with corresponding probabilities k by 6, k by 2, 2k by 3, k by 2, k by 6. Right? First and foremost, we need to calculate the k, missing term, and then proving that it is equals to 1 after substituting the k value in the table. And then later on, you know the procedure. Mean, finding x into p of x, the total, and then variance, expression of x square minus expression of x whole square. So same kind of problem, guys. Let us quickly solve this now. So as we know that total probability is always equals to 1. Then according to the question, k by 6 plus k by 2 plus 2k by 3 plus k by 2 plus k by 6 is equals to 1. That equals to LCM, how much it will be? 6. 6 how many times? 1 time, k plus 2 how many times? 3 times, 3 into k, 3k plus 3 how many times? 2 times, 2 2s are 4, 4k plus 2 how many times? 3 times, 3 into k, 3k plus 6 1 time, 1 into k, k. That equals to k plus 3k, 4k, 4 plus 4, 8k, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. 12k by 6 equals to 1. That is k equals to 1 by 2. So here 1 2's. So k equals to 1 by 2. Do you understand, guys? K value is 1 by 2. Then here change that now. First value is k by 6. Therefore 1 by 2 into first value is k by 6, right? So change that one now. So first is given k by 6. That is k value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by 6. How much it will be? 1 by 2 by 6. 1 by 2 by 6. How much it's gonna be? 1 by 12 guys. So there is no confusion here. Am I clear? So otherwise we do one thing. So if you are having any confusion, let these values be like this only. K by 6, if you are confusing it much, k by 6 and then k by 2, next is 2k by 3 and then k by 2 and then k by 6. First anyhow we got the k value, find out expression of x first. Mean x into p of x, that equals to minus 3 into k by 6 plus minus 2 into k by 2 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 2 into k by 2 plus 3 into k by 6. This total we need to calculate now. So 3 ones, 3 twos are. So minus k by 2 plus here 2 cancel. This will become minus k plus 0 plus 2 cancel k, and then here 3 ones, 3 twos are plus k by 2. Minus k plus k cancel. 0. Very simple guys. What is the value of variance? Expectation mean 0. Without substituting k only you got the answer 0. Then expectation of x square. So expectation of x square means x square into p of x. So here minus 3 square 9k by 6 plus minus 2 square 4k by 6 plus 0 square into something 0 plus 2 square 4k by 2 plus 3 square 9k by 6. So add this total now. LCM will become 6. Here 9k plus 4k plus 2 3 times 3 4s are 12k plus 9k, that equals to 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 12 25, 25 plus 9 34. 34k by 6. So this is a value. 34k by 6 means 34 by 6 into k value how much? 1 by 2, that equals to 2 ones are 2. How many times? 2 one time, 2 17. How much the value guys? 17. Am I clear? So otherwise you can do one thing. One more possibility. 34 into 1 by 2 divided by 6. So 34 by 2 it will become, right? 34 by 2 means 34 by 6 2s are 12. Once again you count 9 9 18, 18 plus 4 22, 24 22 plus 12. Yes, 34. 34 by 12. 34 by 12. How much? Expectation of x square. How much it will become? 1 second guys, 1 second. There's a small confusion here. The totaling. Once again you check 9k plus 4k plus 4k plus 9k divided by 6. LCM will become 6. Let us consider k is a common term here. LCM is 6. 6 one time, therefore 9 here, plus 6 one time, 4 here, plus 0, plus 2 how many times? 3 times. 3 fours are 12, plus 6 one time, 9. So 9 plus 4 plus 12 plus 9. So sorry. Here how much? 2 square? 4k by 2. Sorry guys, 4k by 2 here. 4k by 2 means this will become 2 3 times. 3 fours are 12. This also 12. That equals to k into 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 18, 36. 24 plus 18, it is 42. Sorry. 42. That equals to k. 42 by 6 is nothing but 7. So 7 into 1 by 2. That is nothing but 7 by 2. Therefore, variance of x. Expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. That equals to expression of x square is 7 by 2 minus expression of x is 0. Answer is 7 by 2. This is the problem, guys. Am I clear? So once again have a look. Is it clear? So in between slide calculation, because I had missed, I thought of here it is 6. Later I just observed that it is 2 square 4k by 2. Then after simplifying, easily you will be getting it. Am I clear? Right. So let us see one more problem now. Look at this problem, guys. Little bit interesting kind of problem. So far we have seen directly the probability distribution tables are given. We calculated the expectations and variance, standard deviations and so on, right? Now it is such some kind of different thing. Look at the problem, you will understand. From a bag containing 4 white and 6 red balls, 3 balls are randomly selected. If each white ball you select, see 3 are selected from the total number of balls. If each white if you get in your selection among those 3, you will be getting for each white rupees 4 reward. If red selects, rupees 6 reward you get. Then look at this diagram first. So in a bag, how many balls were there now? 4 white and 6 red. 3 balls are selected at random. What are the possible ways? All the 3. All the 3 may be white, right? Then all the 3 may be red. That is another possibility. Next, 2 white plus 1 red. And then 1 white plus 2 red ball. Right? These are the 4 possibilities. Now, 3 white means each white carries how many, how much amount you will be getting it? Each white 4 rupees. Here 3 white were there. That means 12 rupees you will be getting when you select 3 whites. Then 3 reds means each red carries 6 rupees. So 3 into 6. You will be getting 18 rupees when 3 reds are selected. If 2 white and 1 red means 2 into 4 rupees plus 1 into 6 rupees. So 2 4s are 8 plus 1 6 are 6. 14 rupees you will be getting in case of 2 white and 1 red. And then 1 white and 2 red. 1 white means 1 into 4 plus 2 into 6 rupees. So 4 plus 12. 16 rupees you will be getting it. Now whenever you have such kind of problems like about reward or amount, such kind of problems, you need to take the real values as these amounts. Remember, not the selection. Remember, selection is for probability. According to that selection, writing the amount is for real values. Now, according to this question, let us see first. Let X, capital X, be the reward, be the expected reward or amount. Anything you can write it. Let a capital X be the expected reward. Now, then the X real value is what it takes according to the possibilities. Either 3 white or 3 red, or 2 white and 1 red, or 1 white and 2 red. And those amounts you will be writing first. Expression of X, the real value, what it will take, either 12 rupees or 14 rupees or 16 rupees or 18 rupees. Am I clear? X real values were 12 rupees, 14 rupees, 16 rupees and then 18 rupees. 12 rupees is for 3 white, 14 rupees is for 2 white and 1 red, 16 rupees is for 1 white and 2 red, 18 rupees is for 3 red. And what is its probabilities of all these three? Getting 3 white. How many whites were there? 4. 4C3 by total number of balls were 10. 10C3. Do you understand? Next, 14. 14 means this one. 2 white and 1 red. 2 white. That means 4C2 into 1 red. 6C1 by 10C3. Next, 1 white and 2 red. 1 white. 4C1 into 6C2 by 10C3. 3 reds. 6C3 by 10C3. Guys, do you understand? Very simple. Try to understand the concept. That's it. So these are the possible favorable cases. When 3 are selected, those 3 may be all the 3 red, all the 3 white, or 2 red and 1 white, or 2 white and 1 red. According to those possibilities, we have mentioned the rewards here. Right? Those rewards are to be taken as a real values of random variable X, expected amount. So expected amount reward, that's why let X be the expected reward means X should be taken the reward only. Reward means here amounts only should be taken as real values, remember. And then those probabilities, see here, those probabilities means 12 into 4C3 by 10C3. 4C3 by 10C3 means how much? You know the calculations. 4C3 by 10C3, nothing but here after calculating 1 by 30 you will be getting. So otherwise we will just calculate. 4C3 means 4 into 3 into 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. 4C3 is 4 divided by 10C3. 10C3 means 10 into 9 into 8 by 1 into 2 into 3. So 3 ones, 3 threes are, 2 ones, 2 fours are, 10 threes are 30, 34s are 120. 140 by 120 is nothing but 1 by 30. Do you understand? Next. 4C2. 4C2 means 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. 2 threes are 6. 6 into 6 is 1 is 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 by 120. Right? Here it is 4 by 120. First one. Next one is 36 by 120. Next 4C1 is 4. 4 into 6C2. 6C2 means 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. 3 5s are 15. 4 into 15. 60. 60 by 120. You have scientific calci, you can observe this combinations. Next 6C3. 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. Three ones, 3 twos are 2, 2 cancel, 5 fours are 20. Therefore 20 divided by 120. Look at this guys clearly. When you add all these, definitely you should get 1. Remember. So 4 plus 36, 40, 40 plus 60, 100, 100 plus 20, 120, 120 by 120, 1. Clear? So total probability is 1. So they are asking expected reward. Expected reward means expectation of x. Small x into p of x. That equals to multiply 12 into 4 by 120 plus 14 into 36 by 120 plus 16 into 60 by 120 plus 18 into 20 by 120. After simplifying all these guys, you will be getting 468 by 30. That equals to rupees 15.6 is your expected reward. Am I clear? So this is a problem. Very important and interesting one. Based on this diagram only, the complete problem you will be understanding, guys. Once again, have a look. Is it clear? Fine. So with this, I'm going to wind up this video, this session. Let us meet with some more example problems. The same kind of problems, like little tricky kind of problems still we have. So hope you are understanding the concept, what we are exactly calculating in the problem, right? Yes, guys. So please kindly follow. Probability chapter you should understand. The connecting chapter is random variable. That's it. Everywhere the probability value we are writing. Look at here. So that's why probability and random variables were interlinked chapters there. Remember, you should know the probability, then only the random variable concept you will understand. So hope I am clear about this problem. So let us meet in the next video having the same kind of problems, little increasing the level. I mean, little tricky kind of questions will be there in the upcoming videos. Let us continue the same concept till this month 15th, right? With this, I'll just put a comma for this video, not a full stop, just a comma. Let us meet in the next video, guys. Hope everybody is doing good and healthy. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.